Here we go.
Ready?
Yep. What am you showing me? The pressure?
Yeah, the pressure gauge. Get it real close up.
Alright.
About 160 pounds.
Okay. Alright, you're gonna blow some of this stuff away? Alright. We got ya. There's some stuff on the ground. He's over there. The dirt. Wow, they picked up a little bit of dirt. You're gonna restart it? It's not promising. I mean, my luck. The pressure has to come down before you restart it. Alright, I think we're good, but I don't know how to turn my camera off.